Kyla Lou, and this might never be a compliment that you've gotten ever, but you have really cute ears. I'm no ear expert, but yours, they're pretty cute. Now, if you've been hiding underneath a rock and you haven't had a chance to at least take a look at TikTok, that's cool. Maybe it's comfy there underneath your rock, but I'm here to let you know that TikTok is a vertical video dominant platform. Yes, you can post horizontal videos that are shot like this, hamburger style, onto TikTok, but it's going to appear pretty small and you've got these annoying black bars on the top and bottom of your video. And from my research, horizontal videos don't do nearly as well as vertical videos do, specifically on TikTok. TikTok doesn't love people to stray from its vertical video format. So if you're spending all of this time creating YouTube videos, is there just not a way to repurpose them on TikTok? No. Turns out there is a way. I have the most insane hack. That's definitely over-exaggerated. I have a semi-cool hack for you guys to be able to take your horizontal videos and make them vertical for TikTok or for any other platform that you want to use vertical videos on that doesn't require any fancy editing and does most of the work for you. Heck yes. I'm talking about GetMunch. And no, this video is not sponsored, but I found this tool and I thought it could be helpful for some of you guys out there. So GetMunch.com has two main pricing plans, their Lite plan, which is free, and their Pro plan, which is $99 a month, which, holy crap, is kind of expensive after a 14-day free trial that you can cancel at any time. But I'm gonna show you guys the capabilities of this free plan. So you can hop onto your computer and create a free account. I also think this might be an app on your phone, so I think you can do it from there as well. And so here I am on the project screen, and I'm going to click on this plus sign here, Munch, another video. What kind of project do you want to create? So here I'm using the Munch Lite plan, which is free, unlimited videos and auto landscape to portrait. You can see on the Munch Pro, it's going to auto crop for the socials, but I'll get into that plan in just a second. So I'm gonna click on the let's go for the Lite plan, and then we have to name the project. So let's just do the best video ever because duh. Okay. And then we have choose your output ratio. So 9:16 is going to help us create that vertical format. 1:1 is going to create a square. So that's going to be more ideal for like Instagram, but this is going to be best for TikTok. And then I have a content link so you can see max duration is only 15 minutes. So if I go here to my YouTube channel, I can only do a video that's 15 minutes or less. So I'm actually gonna get this video here that is about 4.5 minutes long. And I'm just gonna click share and copy and then head back over to GetMunch, and I'm gonna paste that link in there, or I can upload it if it's not on YouTube. And then I'm going to click create. And then it will start the processing. Now, from my experience, you guys can see I've already tested one video already. The processing time takes an absurd amount of time. I actually just started a timer here so we can see how long it's going to take, but I'll hop on here once this video is done processing. Okay, so this is kind of embarrassing, but the video took almost 4 minutes to process, which really isn't that long. I guess I am just impatient. But if we click here on the status of the video, it's going to show us in just a second. Okay, so here is the vertical video. And obviously it's not going to be perfect. Like you guys just saw, I had text at the very beginning of my YouTube video that it cuts off. It's not gonna be perfect, but it's a pretty quick and easy method if you're looking for something just to pump out vertical videos really really quick. But as you can see down here, I can trim the video to only a certain spot. So I can do that here on my computer, or I can do that when I send it over to TikTok. But what I would do at this point is go ahead and pick the most engaging parts. Here of this video, you can see I do have some text on the screen that it does cut off. And so to me, it's like, yeah, it kind of sucks. It's not ideal. If I really cared about it, I could try and make it so the text will look good when it goes on video format, but then it's gonna be really small on my YouTube videos. So either you just don't add text in, or if you're doing it here in the vertical format, either you try and find sections where there isn't text on the screen that's cut off, or you don't use it or don't care about it. And so then what I do is click download here, and then I'm going to airdrop this to my phone. Okay, now that that footage is on my phone, I'm going to click on the plus sign to create a new TikTok. And down here at the bottom, you can see upload. I'm gonna click on that. And here is the video that I sent from my computer, my horizontal video that now looks great for TikTok. So then I can edit what I want here. I can add in sound. I can clip the video at this point. So if I didn't clip it on Get Munch or trim it, I can do that here by selecting the clip and dragging this in, things like that. And I can split it. So if I go to a certain point and I want to split it maybe right here, I can click on the clip, split, and then delete the section after it. So it's just this, and then click save and upload it to TikTok. Now, what you can also do if you don't care to use Get Munch, because I know its editing capabilities aren't great, I am here in TikTok again. I'm going to click on a horizontal video that I have, and you can see there are those annoying black bars again, and the video is pretty small, but I can go here into the new studio editor, and I know you guys have had some funky issues with the new studio editor, because right now you can see it says adjust clips when it's supposed to be the new studio editor. There's been all sorts of problems, so hopefully TikTok is figuring that out. And also try and ignore my awesome upstairs neighbors. But I'm going to click on this adjust clips, which is the new studio editor, excuse me. And if I select the clip here, you can see the video is now outlined in blue bars. I'm going to use my fingers to drag this to fill the frame, and I can move it over here. Now you can see the video is now vertical, but obviously it's going to cut out sides of the video. But that's one way you can do that too. So if I click save here, now you can see the video fits the whole screen. This is how TikTok likes their videos to be. And then I can go on and post this and add all the necessary details. But that is also another really easy way to make your videos vertical on TikTok. Now, one of the main differences that I know with the pro plan of Get Munch versus the free plan is that it will automatically pick the most engaging parts of the video. I don't know how it does that with its AI technology, but somehow it does. And then it is going to size it for TikTok and also crop the video. I did see a review once of Get Munch, and someone was like, I uploaded my video and they said that no parts of the video were engaging. And they had like the little emoji with like the eyes. It was like, and so I don't know what happens if like the AI doesn't think that any parts of your video are engaging, but apparently it just does a little bit more like editing for you, meaning it's gonna actually trim it. I haven't used it, so I can't give like a full voucher if I think the paid plan is worth it, but from what it sounds like, I would just go with the free plan. Get Munch, not the most incredible software out there, but it does help you crop your videos really easily. So if you guys enjoyed this video and maybe you found a little bit of value, please consider liking and subscribing because it supports my channel so much. If you guys have any questions, as always, feel free to leave that down in the comments section below. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch my content, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes.
'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die.